Non, on a dit,
You okay, man?
au daron, ouais, c'est moi,
Yeah, just
vous m'aviez demandé de la divertir ou un truc comme
I
ça, on
wish
a
I
dit.
hadn't pulled that trigger.
Ah si, tu casses les
Just
couilles, toi,
trying to
t'appuies
forget
sur la
about it.
gâchette, ton oncle il meurt et tu casses les couilles comme ça. Ouais. Attends. Oh, on doit faire un choix. Oh, le choix de baiser.
C'est quoi?
Soit on va avec la table de, de
Ah,
Kenny, soit on va... Écoute-moi bien. Oh, Luc, ça me fait trop de la peine si on y va pas. Et Kenny, ça va le faire de la peine. Mais j'ai l'impression que, en fait, là, on va être entre les deux, le cul entre les deux chaises. Et ouais.
ouais, putain, vous oublié.
Kenny avec sa
Ah,
femme
Luc, c'est le sang.
et Luc, bon. Mais Luc, regarde, il a la tête triste. Et Kenny, vas-y, casse ta merde, toi, Kenny. Viens, on va avec Kenny. Moi, je suis plus apte avec Kenny que. Enfin, Luc, c'est bien, mais. Vas-y, il y a elle, genre. J'ai
Ouais.
pas envie de manger devant Sarah, genre. Alors que Kenny.
Après, Luc, il mange seul, hein. Je regarde, là, j'ai l'impression qu'il mange seul, hein.
Ouais, mais Kenny, on vient juste de le retrouver.
Comme tu veux.
Allez, vas-y, t'aurais dit qui, toi?
Ça, j'aurais dit Luc.
Luc. Ouais, mais Kenny, on vient de le retrouver.
Bah, avec qui?
Et il
Vas-y,
avait même
je
pas
t'en
voulu
prie.
nous sauver, cette pute. Je te rappelle, avec lui, il a dit, je viens pas sauver ta fille. J'ai rien à foutre.
Ah ouais?
Rappelle-toi, il a dit, il voulait pas venir nous sauver.
Je me
Ah
rappelle
si, mais
même
après,
plus.
si, c'est
Ah,
après.
si, ouais.
Au début, il voulait pas.
Ouais.
Vas-y, nous, on est rancuniers ici. Oh.
Ah ouais, mais c'était pas.
Hein.
So what's the deal with your friend here?
Yes, we were just talking about this Kenny. What do you make of him, Clem?
J'ai confiance en Kenny. On le
Ouais,
shape, tu vois.
ouais,
They
ouais,
seem
ouais.
very
On le shape de baiser.
accommodating for a bunch of people in a
Je
big
les ai
house.
jamais aimés.
Trust him.
With your life?
I think so.
Oui. Là,
Walter was
actuellement,
telling
c'est
me
Kenny et
his
Luc, c'est les
family
deux
died.
goats.
That's horrible.
Toi, on s'en fout, toi.
Ferme ta gueule, toi.
Thing like that can hit a guy pretty hard.
He lost his whole family?
Wife and kid.
Il va mieux maintenant,
Damn.
ou je sais pas. En vrai.
J'ai rien dit.
C'est dur, là, en même temps, de dire un truc.
Oh, mais la table, elle c'est grande pour qu'ils viennent. Mais vous foutez de ma gueule.
Hey there.
Hey.
Hope you like the food.
Oh, it's great. Thank you.
Hein,
Peaches
Clément,
and
tu te rappelles à la
beans.
ferme?
Great
C'est
for
la même
nutrition.
chose.
Not too great on the way out, though, I tell ya. So it's Luke and Nick.
Ah,
Luke and Nick.
miskin. On dirait
You
l'oncle
guys
qui
sure
fait
do
des
look
blagues
like
pour,
a match. What's that
faire-
supposed to
Détendre
mean?
l'atmosphère.
I'm just saying you
Ouais.
look like good friends, that's all.
Vas-y, vas-y, Nick, il commence à me casser
So,
les couilles, là.
what was your plan here? Hold out for the winter?
Actually, we were thinking of moving on. Somewhere up north.
Ah, mais vraiment, les
You ever
zombies tiennent
heard
pas
of a
le.
place called Wellington?
Wellington? The hell is
On
that?
y allait,
A
on y allait en
place.
plus.
What kind of place?
A good
Je sais
one,
plus.
Einstein.
Yeah. Krista and I were going there.
Supposed to be a big camp up near Michigan.
Michigan?
You got a hearing problem, kid? Yeah, Michigan. Think about it. Fresh water, lots of land, and cold-ass winters so the walkers get slow.
Sounds like bullshit.
Listen, Vanilla Ice, I don't know what your deal
Écoute,
is,
c'est
but you're
mignon.
more than welcome to take off in the morning.
That'd be just fine by me.
What's the deal with these guys, Clem?
Hey, fuck you, buddy.
It's fine, Nick. We're not staying.
She's staying.
Ne vous
Euh,
battez pas, ne vous battez
Excuse me?
You heard me.
Please, don't fight.
Gentlemen, please, there's no need for this. Now look, we've all had a long day. Please,
Par contre, Nick, écoute-moi bien. Si je suis cassé les couilles à Kenny, on peut t'enculer ta grand-mère. Parce que tu nous as certes sauvés, mais on s'en bat les couilles de ton oncle de merde qui est mort.
Pass me that can, Duck.
Passe-moi quoi?
Passe-moi le
Duck?
truc Duck.
Who's Duck?
Laisse-le tranquille, Luc. Gros, Duck c'est son fils.
Duck.
On va pas dire Duck c'est son fils.
Bah, pourquoi pas?
Mais c'est pas à nous de parler. T'imagines ton fils, tu l'as tué et t'arrives, y a un mec, genre, tu tues un fils et après, genre 2 ans après, tu retrouves une meuf qui était dans ton groupe et t'arrives, tu l'appelles Duck et y a un mec qui fait, c'est qui Duck et t'arrives, et tu parles à sa place en disant, c'est son fils.
Non, dis pas parce qu'il y a sa femme en plus à côté.
Oui, oui,
Enfin, sa nouvelle meuf.
on dit, vas-y, ferme ta gueule toi.
Ouais, Duc, t'inquiète, laisse-le. comprendras.
Leave him alone, Luke.
Hey, Clementine, would you lend me a hand outside for a moment?
Non.
Toi, tu veux nous baiser ou quoi?
Et on pouvait pas dire non?
Je vais pas venir t'aider, gros.
Franchement, la tête, j'aurais dit non, moi.
On n'oublie pas qu'il y a toujours les mecs à lampe torche, j'ai l'impression.
I'm sorry about that.
C'est un bon, en
Now, I
vrai.
used to be a teacher, and I remember what it's like to be caught in the middle of two cliques.
Ah,
I
il
suspect
capte,
they'll
il
find
comprend
common
qu'on est
ground
entre deux
soon
culs.
enough. It may take a
Entre
little
deux chaises.
time, but that's just how these things work.
Crois-moi, on est pas entre
Everything
deux
will be
culs,
fine.
frérot.
Listen, relationships are like any machine. You don't throw them out when they break down. You get your hands dirty and you grease the wheels. What do you say? Will you help
Je
me
veux
work
rester,
on
je
them?
veux rester
I
avec
want
elle.
to stay with you and Kenny.
Then stay
No?
you shall. I know that'll please Kenny,
I missed him.
and he missed you, I can assure you.
Attends,
They
j'écoute
say
pas.
the world is over, but I'll tell you a secret. It's not. People are
Il est
more
justement
political
pas, il est.
now than they ever were before. In the end, we can't change the world. All we can do is continue to learn from each other, to empathize, and use our heads. All war is a symptom of man's failure.
Ah,
to
et là, il me
thinking
fait le
alone.
mec gentil.
It's
Tu
time
vas
to-
tellement
Have you
mourir
read 'em?
dès le début,
Il
toi.
me fait le
Well, we
philosophe.
have plenty of time to catch you up on your reading. My partner Matthew is amassing quite the literature collection. I think you'll like it.
En parlant de Mathieu, lui. Il est en
In
train
any
de nager avec
case,
les
the
poissons,
point
lui.
is, as long as we have our wits about us, we can always make the right choice. Right?
Ce n'est jamais aussi simple. Il a dit faire des bons choix, ce n'est jamais aussi
It's
simple de faire
never
des bons
that
choix.
easy.
C'est impossible de faire des bons choix.
What's the matter, Clementine? Is there something you want to tell me? You can
Les gens
talk
nous
to me,
poursuivent.
Clem.
On parle pas de Mathieu,
There's
il est mort
almost
pour moi.
nothing you can
Mathieu,
tell me
on
that
en
will
parle pas.
surprise me.
Mathieu,
I
Mathieu, on
promise
n'était pas
you.
censé savoir que c'était lui.
I'm just worried about the people chasing us.
You're safe now. Don't worry. Matthew will be back soon. And everything will be fine.
Mais non,
Hey,
mais
kids,
oublie
what are you
Mathieu,
two
frérot.
talking about?
Il veut pas confondre. Hein. Il était tué.
Oh, de Mathieu qui est en train de
Oh,
nager avec les poissons. Là.
politics.
The hell?
Well, being from Florida, I would imagine you know all about politics, Kenny.
Man, I know one advantage of living in the apocalypse is not dealing with that shit no more.
Eh oui,
I was just
Kenny,
gonna
Kenny,
check
il
the
est extrême
windows out
gauche,
back
Kenny.
before this storm hits. Give us a hand?
Sure.
Oh, me dis pas, Mathieu, il est revenu.
Oui, Ferran, tu me régales.
C'est qui elle?
Please, do you have any food?
C'est qui
Are you
elle?
okay?
I saw the house and I have a family. We're starving. We live down there.
Of course.
Putain, mais.
Gros, c'est les.
putain,
Attends,
Miss.
attends.
Bonnie.
Ça pue le groupe qui nous poursuivait.
Walt, I don't know. You just gonna let her in like that?
It's fine, Kenny.
We don't know this girl.
Then we'll have to get to know her. Right, Clem?
On n'oublie pas, c'est une strat, hein. Souvent, les gens strat, ils envoient des petits. Mais en fait, les petits, c'est des
Ou des
putains de
meufs, ouais.
criminels. Et on pose des questions ici.
Après, ils nous ont. Après, ouais, mais on connaissait Kenny.
Vérifie
How
si elle
much
est armée,
damage
c'est
can
trop
this
dangereux,
poor
elle peut
woman
nous.
do?
Vérifie si elle est armée. Ouais.
Check her for weapons.
Voilà.
Yeah.
Voilà, quel mentir, on pose les bases.
Thank you. Really.
Et nous, on a les
that
couilles
storm
ici.
will be on us soon, and I gotta get back to my
Alors, ça pas les
family.
coups de ta famille.
I'll bring something out to you then.
You don't have to do that.
No, it's fine.
What about your people?
We've got plenty. You stay put.
Mais arrête de parler, mais il est con quoi! On a,
Vraiment,
on a full
ouais.
bouffe, on a de l'eau, on a même des piles si tu veux. Ah, tu vas danser, petite salope.
I have a
Non,
little
faut que je te
girl
parle.
like you.
Ah,
Je m'en fous.
je m'en bats les couilles.
Love you, sweetie.
T'as vu le visage de Kenny de Clémentine ou pas?
Non, j'ai pas vu, je prends la tête à ce moment-là.
Oh non. Ah, c'est deux visages. Oh, ça tirait la gueule. Ça rigolait pas la vanne. Ça dit, je m'en bats les couilles ta fille. C'est pas vos affaires. On dit pas notre âge.
None of your business. I'm sorry. I didn't mean nothing by it, huh?
Ouais, mais on va être.
Voilà, ferme ta gueule. Déjà, pourquoi. Putain, mais les rôdeurs, ils peuvent pas s'attaquer aux roues d'abord?
Putain, en plus, ramène un carton comme ça,
Here
mais t'es
you are,
con ou quoi?
miss.
Eh oui, mais laisse-lui les
This
clés au
is
pire.
too much.
Don't mention it.
I don't know how to thank you.
Bah, tu fermes
Just
ta
help
gueule.
someone else down the line.
Moi, je sais comment
Thank
tu
you
pourrais
so much.
remercier.
I'll be going now.
You stay safe.
Donc, bien avoir un
You
petit
too.
air à 200 mètres.
Oh, demain,
Clem,
tu
go
reviens
on
pour nous
inside and
enculer?
get to bed. Walt and I gotta talk for a second.
Dernière fois que tu me donnes un ordre.
Putain, mais moi j'aurais tellement suivi chaque son con, bande d'enculés, vous êtes cons quoi. Genre en mode pendant la tempête, les zombies vont pas être ralentis aussi.
Don't freak out.
Wesh, Luc, il se passe quoi?
Il connaît Bonnie. C'est pour ça.
Listen, okay, I gotta tell you something.
J'ai
That
déjà
guy
fait
on
autre
the
chose.
bridge was Walter's friend.
Ouais.
Mais on l'a jamais vu? On l'a jamais croisé?
Mais si,
See, I knew something was off,
Non, mais t'as pas
so I
compris?
asked Sarita about their friend. Now they're all worried he's not back here.
Oui, Nick.
Where's Nick?
I don't know.
Non mais c'est tout simple. Mathieu, on l'a jamais croisé de notre vie. Voilà.
mais c'est pas ça qu'il dit.
I don't think Walter knows.
Oui, mais c'est son
Il
pote.
a dit c'est le collègue de Walter. Oui, mais
Mais on
Walter,
s'en bat
c'est
les
le
couilles.
mec qui est venu à la maison.
Attends. Attends,
On devrait lui dire.
Walter, c'est pas le chauve?
Non, le chauve, c'est Walt. Ah oui, ben merde.
Oui, ben on l'a jamais croisé. Ils savent pas on l'a vu. On l'a jamais croisé. On dit rien, on dit rien. Pour moi, on dit rien.
I
Putain,
won't say
partout
anything.
Barcelone.
Okay, okay, good. Now, do you still have that knife? Because if it was
Oh
Matthew's,
putain,
then
le
Walter
couteau de
Caesar
Walter,
was
on
gonna
l'a.
put two and two together.
It's with the other weapons.
Okay, well, go get rid of it. And I'll find Walter and run interference. Oh, and
Oh le con, on a mis le couteau sur le truc.
I'm right here. What's up?
Ferme ta gueule, toi.
there's nothing, man. I just
Rien,
wanted to
rien, on n'a rien
check
parlé.
and see if you're okay.
Rien, rien.
Nothing.
Attends, mais j'ai pas compris là,
There's
il se
something
passe
going
quoi?
on.
En gros, on est dans une sauce parce que le couteau de Mathieu, on l'a. Le mec qu'on a tué. Si on a le couteau de Mathieu, c'est-à-dire qu'on a vu Mathieu. Luc, il a capté que Mathieu c'était le collègue à Walt, sauf que Nick, il est tellement con, il a pas capté. Et si on dit à Nick, Nick est capable de faire de la merde. Et si Walter, il voit le couteau de Mathieu, ça fait de la merde. Donc on va voler
Ouais.
le couteau de Mathieu, on va s'en débarrasser.
I want to know.
No, just
Non,
go
toi,
back to
tu-
bed, Nick.
I'm serious. You guys can talk to me.
Dis-lui, c'est rien, on s'en fout, vas-y, casse-toi.
Eh viens, on le choque. Faut le choquer.
Mais il t'a raison, il va foutre la merde, frère, si tu lui dis.
Ouais, mais attends. En fait, moi je me dis, imagine, on ment à Kenny en fait.
Non, Kenny, on va lui mentir.
Ils ont jamais posé la question si on avait croisé Mathieu.
Mais on n'est pas censé savoir qui c'est.
Ouais.
Le couteau, il y a juste
Ouais,
une
you
initiale,
don't trust
frérot,
me
ça
now?
peut être Mathis par exemple.
nothing, really. Forget it.
Mais après, il a vu le couteau, t'es
Look,
con.
Clem, just go do that thing.
Eh ben,
Alright? Come on, Nick. Let's go find a beer or something.
Gros, Mathieu, MW.
on
Le
peut très
mec,
bien dire,
le mec
on
c'est
a-
son
oui,
meilleur
mais
pote. C'est son meilleur pote, s'il te plaît. Le couteau, je pense.
Mais on peut très bien dire qu'on a trouvé le couteau, mais qu'on n'a pas vu Mathieu.
Oh oui. Oh, il va pas. Oh la boulette.
It's gone.
Oh la boulette!
Ah.
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 Oh,
Ah.
Oups! Alors, en parlant de ça,
On l'a trouvé sur le pont.
Davignon.
Il va péter un câble, il va serrer.
Vous allez bien, ouais.
Vous allez
Ouais,
bien?
Pierre, n'importe.
Vous allez bien?
Are you okay?
I always liked this knife.
Soit il est con,
Non, non, non.
It's
Toi,
Matthew
toi, il est
when all
con.
this started.
Ah, il a donné à Mathieu. En plus, c'est lui qui l'a donné.
Who did
je
it?
sais qui croit.
Was it that kid?
C'est
What's
quoi
his
son
name? Nick?
Comment il est au courant? C'est Nick qui l'a tué?
Talking earlier, something about shooting a man.
Un truc à propos de tirer sur un homme. Ouais,
I could
Vas-y,
see
ouais,
it.
Nick va te
Je peux le
enculer.
voir.
I could see it on his face. Wasn't sure then, but now
Eh, on ment pas. Eh, nique ta grand-mère, Nick, tu y passes. Eh, on jette Nick ou pas?
Tu vas pas le jeter, mais tu vas lui avouer son crime et on va le défendre quand même.
Je pense que le plus smart, c'est tout le temps être gentil. Tu vois, on vient tuer un proche, le mec, il est gentil. On sait que
Dire la vérité, faut
Walt,
dire la
il-
vérité.
Walt, est gentil. On ment pas à Walt. Walt, c'est un bon.
It was us.
Après, il a,
It was our fault.
Voilà, on a déjà la vérité. J'ai cru que j'avais cliqué à droite sans faire exprès. Hein.
après, il a donné à bouffer à celui qui a tué son collègue.
I don't feel good.
Oh, t'inquiète, c'est trop fort rien.
Nick shot him.
Ah bah, balance.
Mais nous, on n'a rien à voir dans l'histoire. Hein. Nous,
Is Nick a good man, or is he just like everyone else?
Nick, est un type bien.
Is he just one of those
Ouais.
fuckers who don't give a shit about anyone but themselves?
He is. He's a good guy, Walter.
Faut qu'on max Nick pour pas qu'il le tue, je pense.
He saved my life.
Ah, mais Nick.
He was always going out alone. I told him something like this would happen, but he wouldn't listen. No, Matt always knew best.
What's going on?
You need to tell him
Tell him what?
what happened on the bridge.
Tell me what you did. Just tell me, son. Tell me what happened.
From a distance, it looked like anyone. I thought he was gonna shoot my friends, and I shot Matthew. It happened real fast. I didn't know if I hit him, but I did, and I
Il va pas le
didn't
tuer,
mean
il
to.
va pas le tuer, il va pas le tuer. C'est un bon Walt. Walt, il est pas capable de tuer les gens.
Do you know what you've done to me? Do you have any idea?
I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Walter.
Il va pas réussir à le tuer. Mais j'ai pas montré, il va se suicider par contre. Wesh, mais ça ramène pas les zombies ça?
Walt,
Et
what's going
une
on?
réunion quoi, frère.
Ça va pas ramener les zombies ça?
The storm's got it spinning out of control. That sound's gonna draw
Ah,
walkers. We gotta shut it down now.
Nick, help me. Carry the guns.
Guns?
Ouh les zombies, tu vois ce qui va se passer ou pas?
Il va se suicider,
Non,
on va le faire.
il nous a passé un pistolet. On va devoir... Les zombies vont arriver, on va devoir soit sauver Walter, soit on va sauver Nick.
What the hell was that?
Damn it. Transformer must have gone. Gotta check it.
Bon,
I
coupe
can
le
use
twist,
a
frère.
hand.
I'll go with you.
Oh, Kenny et Luke.
No, it's too dangerous.
Mais pourquoi elle est pas. Mais
Get
les
this
femmes à la
thing
maison, on a
shut
dit.
down.
Sauf
Ouais.
nous, parce que nous.
Oh, Kenny et Luke. Là, tu vas être tellement bien quand tu seras avec les deux ensemble. Hein. Ah, par contre, j'espère qu'ils vont pas faire un choix entre Kenny et Luke qui sauver. Hein.
Non, non, on a déjà eu le dilemme en mode
Does anyone
ça
know how
sera
to do
l'un
this?
des deux. Alors,
Great.
I can do it.
Okay, we'll watch your back.
Oh, Clem, elle a
Scan
bac
the
plus 5 en
trees
tout,
with me.
frère. C'est une dinguerie. Elle a 9 ans et plus que moi.
11 ans, 11 ans, 11 ans.
Pareil.
Ah, ok, Clémentine. C'était comme ça, Clémentine.
It's too dark.
Mais moi, elle est pas. Pas si bac. Ah, quoi, si, j'ai rien dit.
How to shut this thing down?
Et les gars, vous vous foutez de ma gueule là.
Ça accélère là. Ah non, ça va. J'ai eu peur.
Mais non, mais c'était juste rentrer une
C'est-
clé dans un bouton rouge là.
Ça j'aurais pu le faire, ça.
Vraiment. Les zombies, les
Les
zombies.
rôdeurs.
Voilà.
Something ain't right.
Là, tu entends. Walkers.
Oh putain. Attends. On a déjà dû sauver lui là.
Il y a un
Nick.
rôdeur là, j'ai pas
On a
regardé.
déjà dû sauver Nick. Là, on va devoir soit sauver le docteur, soit sauver la femme de Kenny.
Non.
Si. Si. Ça pue un truc comme ça.
We don't have much ammunition. We
Ah
gotta
mais
get
l'équipe c'est tout simple, vous courez, arrêtez de faire les mecs, pas petit, vous courez à gauche.
They're
En
behind us.
fait, ou grimper sur l'éolienne.
Ah va te faire enculer, mais les gars, regardez, y a personne, mais courez, par pitié. Ah Clémentine, par pitié. On tire?
Hein.
2 balles. Hein.
Il y a tellement un qui va mourir. Hey, j'ai plus de munitions. C'est qui là?
Non, Clémentine. Oh.
Elle est venue au stand de tir. Ça
Faut
tirait
te-
pas de bien viser?
Mais je vise bien, je comprends pas. Hein.
Ah, c'est marrant.
Vas-y, lâche-le, cours Clémentine, par pitié, sois pas code comme les...
Ah, c'est qui nous sauve? Ok.
Desert Eagle, hein. Au Desert Eagle, il nous sauve. Ah, va te faire enculer. On le sauve, on le sauve.
Non, oh, ça va, au calme, au calme, au calme. Et pourquoi lui il met une balle lui?
On a lâché
Ah
un fusil.
putain, l'arme elle est restée bloquée. Tous les jours on chope l'arme en vrai de vrai, non? Il est mort
Ah,
le
j'ai
rôdeur.
hâte que Clémentine devienne forte, hein. Je te jure. Je sais que je crois que c'est à la saison 3. Je suis pas en QWERTY, je suis pas en QWERTY.
Je pense que c'est mort, hein, je te mens pas.
C'est 6 ans, c'est bon, tranquille.
Non, non, c'est mort, il est.
Ah mais j'étais pas en
Voilà.
QWERTY, mais c'est quoi cette mort de merde? J'étais pas en QWERTY. Non, non, je te jure, c'est une mort. Elle est pas méritée cette mort. On refait, je vous jure, elle est pas méritée la mort. Ah, on recommence jusqu'à ici. Je te jure, que dans une forêt comme ça, je comprends pas comment c'est possible que tu meurs par un zombie. Hein.
Ouais, t'as juste à courir, frère.
T'as juste à marcher dans les endroits où il y a pas de zombies, genre.
C'est comme si t'étais au foot et t'as mis des coupelles.
Mais voilà,
Voilà.
c'est ça. Comme si je faisais une conversation
Observation, une conversation.
conversation avec les zombies là.
Ah ouais.
Avec deux ballons. Petit 10-10, tu vas dans les zones où il y a personne.
Voilà. Et tu fais circuler le ballon parce que bon.
Plus de balles.
Fletcher. Ah oui, il y a tant de recul que ça. Et en plus, il est pas mort.
Couteau, le couteau.
Eh oui, tous les jours.
Oh là là, guette-moi le zombie.
Hop là, voilà, viens là, voilà.
Guette-moi le zombie le plus con de France, il est là. Récupère le couteau, non?
Allez, c'est qui l'autre qui se fait bouillir? Oh là, ah bah lui, mais lui, on sait ce qu'il va faire lui.
Non, je te jure, il va l'aider. Il va l'aider.
Ah,
Gros,
putain.
Walter peut pas tuer quelqu'un. Et là, il le descend. Il descend Nick là.
Oshikawa, non?
Non, je te jure, Walter, c'est tellement un bon, il peut pas tuer quelqu'un.
Clem, get inside! Go!
Mais j'ai plus de couilles que toi, mais tu peux pas de rentrer.
Déjà, on doit sauver personne. Donc déjà, c'est bien.
Clementine, are you okay?
Wow, ça tire à la calache.
C'est pas nous ça, les calaches.
Ah oui.
Ouais, ça,
Les gars,
ça a
il y a les
des
vagos.
calages de
Il y a les
CSGO et
vagos.
tout.
Il y a les vagos, frère.
Il y a les vagos.
C'est bon, c'est bon. Attends, après, il y a Bella qui nous aide en vrai. Ouais.
Ah, c'est...
Oh putain, bah oui, bah c'est eux là. C'est putain, comment il s'appelle lui?
Eh Bonnie, comme par
Voilà,
hasard. Je t'avais dit quoi?
voilà.
Je t'avais dit quoi, cette pute?
Howdy, folks.
Je t'avais dit quoi? Ouais, on envoie une meuf comme ça, on est plus gentil. Wesh, mais il se croit pour...
Bien sûr.
Carver.
Mais gros, je t'ai dit.
Mais attends, mais du coup, en fait, et en fait, je sais pas, il y a quoi entre les deux?
You too.
Gros, je sais très bien ce qu'il y a. Je te l'ai dit pourquoi.
Ah, parce qu'il a baisé la meuf?
Ah non, me dis pas le vrai père, c'est lui en fait, de Sarah. Ah non, Rebecca, c'est la meuf? Oui!
Inside.
C'est son enfant, à Rebecca! Bah, par contre, toi, arrête de faire le mec parce que toi,
It's you.
Keep
Ah, mais
moving.
c'est
Ah,
oui,
Bonnie,
y a-
Bonnie, je te
y a
jure,
pas de
Bonnie,
souris.
Bonnie, je crois que
Ah,
c'est la
même
meuf.
pas de souris.
Elle est manipulable, Bonnie. Je te jure, elle est manipulable, Bonnie.
Bonnie, je te jure qu'on va tellement la sacrifier au moment où on pourra, frérot.
Gros, on va traumatiser lui, Claver. On va le traumatiser, je te le dis. Et il y a pas de poteau. Devant lui, on va pas perdre nos couilles. Devant lui, on va faire le
Look at this
bonhomme.
place.
Viens, lâche tes gorges, toi. Le bonnet, déjà. Oh, lui, il aime pas, lui. Lui, il aime pas. Mais non, on peut jouer les diversions. Oh, ils s'en battent les couilles de notre vie.
Power and everything. A lot of windows though. It's fucking huge. Bill's gonna hate it. Now the rest of them could be anywhere.
Bah oui, viens comme ça, moi je suis. Non, non,
Man,
bouge
how
pas,
the
bouge pas.
fuck are we gonna cover these guys and look for
Oh,
them
shut.
too?
Johnny, cover that window.
Ouvre cette fenêtre. Mais toi, il faut te baiser, toi, Bonnie. T'as pas le droit. Eh oui, Walter, t'as pas le droit à la parole. Y'a...
Il y a tellement qui va mourir. Le daron, du coup, la daronne, elle va se suicider.
Non, la daronne peut pas se suicider, elle est enceinte.
Non, l'autre.
Oh
Genre,
là-
ils vont
oh.
tuer la daronne.
Mais gros, ah, mais putain, mais tu connais pas Negan.
Qui?
Negan, tu connais toujours pas, putain, gros. Ça, dis-toi, c'est un peu une scène qui se passe avec dans un peu The Walking Dead. Ça te spoil pas parce que en gros il tue une personne. Ça va pas te spoil.
Elle va te
Mais en gros,
enculer.
mais en gros, tu vas avoir une scène comme ça où ils vont se mettre à genoux devant quelqu'un. C'est la scène emblématique qui a fait perdre 600 000 spectateurs à The Walking Dead. À son prime, dis-toi. Genre, il y a 600 000 personnes qui ont arrêté de regarder la série. Ah, ok.
Oh,
Ah,
elle
il
est pas
est comme
devant
ça.
sa
lui.
fille quand même, miskin.
Where's Rebecca?
Mais c'est qui Rebecca,
Look
frère?
at me. It's gonna be okay.
Ah, le fils
Oh, le
de
bâtard.
pute.
Our baby deserves to be raised.
Regarde, Rebecca, notre bébé, mérite d'être élevé dans un...
you're out there. And Alvin, and Luke, and the girl. This is real simple.
Et la fillette.
over quick. You all play nice. And show your faces.
Attends. Oh, il nous a appelé la fillette?
Kill him.
No, Alvin.
Ouais.
We gotta go down there.
I can't do that.
Beck, the baby. You need a doctor.
Il va les tuer.
Luke and Kenny.
Nous devons aider Carlos. On doit aider
Ouais.
Carlos. Carlos nous a sauvé la vie. Hein.
Et...
Tu nous sauves la vie, on te sauve la vie.
We have to help Carlos.
Only way to help him is to do what the man says.
What about Luke and Kenny?
Look at those guns. If we start shooting and people are gonna die on both sides.
Oh,
Ah, vas-y,
je me
Sarah,
demande
ferme
trop,
ta
ça
gueule,
y
toi,
est.
par contre.
What the hell is she
T'as fait
with
un
us?
doigt, mon frère,
You
fais
heard
pas le
her.
reste.
Carver knows she's
Miskin.
with us.
Ah, elle casse les couilles, arrête de pleurer. C'est bon, c'est qu'un doigt, ça
We're going down
repousse.
there.
Il va le tuer? Ah, il veut tuer le daron de Beck?
Somebody just shoot him!
Clem, go get help.
He'll kill him, Beck.
Non!
Anyone.
On descend, il va le tuer.
You don't know that.
Say goodbye, Carlos.
Ok, on
Ah, mais
descend.
c'est vrai que Luke et Kenny sont pas là.
Rebecca,
Ouais.
we have to
Mais
give
on est
up.
obligé de descendre, t'as vu? Il veut tuer Carlos. Rebecca, on t'aime. Mais je te jure, il va... Mais t'es con, c'est à nous de sortir la tête en première.
Non, nous, il sait pas qu'on est là-haut.
Ici, il a dit la fillette.
En fait, non, mais oui, mais nous je vois, c'est l'autre qui est intelligent. Il dit Clémentine s'est fait mordre, elle est morte dehors.
Alright.
Mais bon, comme il est con,
Fuck you, Bill.
Wesh, mais il a violé ou quoi?
You don't
j'ai
want to do
l'impression.
this.
Oh,
Please
touche-nous.
let these people go.
Just shut up.
Oh,
Oh, mais
Bonnie,
toi,
tu vas être
oh
ma
là
chienne.
là.
Tu vas être la
Oh.
chienne de Clémentine, on va te mettre la laisse, toi. On va te mettre la laisse.
Can you reach my hands?
Everything under control.
On essaye.
Si. Oui, on porte nos couilles.
home, all right?
I'll try.
Eh oui, Kenny. Kenny de retour.
Don't move.
Oh, toi, mais
Eh.
ça, là, tu meurs.
Toi, si je vais te mordre la glotte, toi. Je vais te mordre la glotte.
I can't see him.
Bah là, Bonnie, on
tu vas
se
bientôt
fait
le
dans
voir,
le
t'inquiète
froc.
Oula.
Oh
Oula
non.
là.
Non, pas lui.
Ah, ça sent la merde pourtant. Hein.
T'aurais dû prendre Nick, t'aurais dû prendre Nick.
Eh ben, moi, c'est rapide.
Ah, il va faire comme ça, on tuera un mec de plus. Mais ils sont 4. Que quelqu'un fasse que.
Somebody do something.
That's for our man. Now, I didn't want to do this.
Oh, Kenny, il est pas content. Kenny, s'il peut continuer, il va continuer.
Kenny, je t'assure que tant que c'est pas nous qui va voir se faire descendre, frérot. Tu peux même descendre Luke et Carlos, frérot, il va continuer, je te le dis.
Oh,
Non,
il
bah
a...
par contre, rate pas la balle, moi, Kenny, s'il te plaît.
Non.
Non, pas Alvin.
Ah, toi, attends, on va te baiser, toi.
You remember George, Alvin? You see, I do. I remember a guy that was your friend named George. I remember when you murdered him in cold blood. And why? Because you didn't like me? You could have lodged a complaint. You could have...
Ah, ils se connaissent avant?
Civil.
Bah, je crois.
We'll do whatever you want.
Protéger Alvin?
I love you, Beck.
Faut protéger Alvin. Ah, on a loupé là, on a loupé.
Il a descendu?
Oh là là, mon poteau, t'es chaud. Entre les deux
Là, t'as pris
yeux.
la bonne cible. Là, t'as pris la bonne cible.
Is that what you want?
Et là, Luke et
Vas-y,
Kenny.
vas-y, je peux pas être arrogant.
Là, c'est Luke et Kenny, frérot. Ça veut dire que c'est les deux. Eh ouais, non, ils vont se rendre. Oui,
Ah.
y'a que Kenny. Oui, oui, ils sont pas cons. Dieu merci.
Il
ils
a
sont
pas
pas
rendu
cons.
l'arme! Il a
Where's
laissé l'arme
Luke?
dehors.
Finally
Luke.
cut and run,
Luke,
huh?
c'est ton moment.
Why am I not
Luke.
surprised?
On sait
I
pourquoi on a
warned
fait
you.
ça.
I warned you not to follow him. Look where he's led you.
C'est qui ça?
But you're safe now.
Il a pas tué Alvin, du coup.
We're going home. As a family.
On rentre à la maison comme une famille.
Luke, par contre, je t'aime bien, mais
We're
accélère, s'il
heading
te
back
plaît.
to camp.
On devait pas le sauver? Il aurait pas tiré? Lui qui serait rendu au lieu de Kenny?
Non, ça va continuer, juste, je pense.
Ah, mais Alvin, il faut les sauver, c'est un bon.
Ah, mais il nous enlève.
Ouais, on va. Oh, dis-moi, c'est là où je pense. Dis-moi, il nous amène à la caserne, on retrouve la troisième personne. Je crois pas, c'est impossible. Oui! Attends, c'est peut-être ça. Mais du coup, Luke il nous suit de loin là, et Luke il est où là? Mais dis pas de Luke il a vraiment déserté par contre.
Tu vas voir derrière un arbre passer
I
comme un
don't
trou de
know
balle.
if we could have saved Walt, but I know one of us didn't just give up.
Yeah, I know. The folks are sore over what happened. But let's remember, these are our brothers and sisters, and they all have a vital role to play in this community.
Wesh, tout le monde est là, tout le monde
They
cohabite,
strayed
genre.
from the flock, yeah.
Ah non.
That don't mean they can't earn their way back into the fold. I don't mean we can't find it in our hearts to forgive them.
Je crois que
Si,
gentil
j'ai
avec toi,
vraiment
petite
devenu
pute, va.
Mais je crois que j'ai vraiment l'impression de devenir gentil, frérot.
Surely wish that they had.
Ah, Kenny il va
pas
pas
Luke,
accepter
mais-
son amour.
A storm is on the way.
Mais
Ok,
ça va être
go.
incroyable, hein. Ça a l'air incroyable déjà. Alors,
Alors,
U-
tu fous le truc de la photo, ouais.
qui.
Coup de vidéo, avec qui on s'est assis? On est
On est
37 à s'être
37.
assis
Mais
avec Luc.
pour moi, c'était le truc le plus smart, Luke.
Avoir dit à Walter la vérité sur Mathieu, on est 55. Nick's Fate.
Ah, Nick's
On
Fate,
essaie,
c'est mourir?
Ah, non. C'est un mode le sort de Nick, genre. On est 57% à avoir dit, en gros, à avoir convaincu Walter de
Oui.
pardonner Nick.
Ouais, sinon on l'aurait tué. Bon, finalement, le water est mort.
Left
Donc,
behind Kenny.
ouais, on aurait pu.
Ah oui, ok.
Genre, on
En
l'a
gros,
aidé à
sur les
trouver
départ, on retrouvait Kenny, quoi.
Ouais.
Mais je qu'on a aidé Carlos. Carlos.
Non, c'est pas Carlos, c'est Alvin. On a sauvé.
Ah, c'est Carlos.
Oui, on a aidé Carlos, mais Carlos
Si,
c'est le
ah,
méchant.
mais non, mais quand on était en haut. Non, Carlos, c'est le médecin qui s'est fait casser les doigts. Quand on était en haut, qu'on a dit, ouais, qu'on est descendu.
Hmm. Il allait l'égorger, je pense que c'était le truc le plus smart, non? Pour moi, dans tous les cas, on y allait, hein, au truc. Hein. Ah, c'est un peu gênant là ce qui se passe. Bon,
Ouais.
j'ai Alt F4. Je relance le jeu.
Ouh, le storm.
Par contre, on est déjà à l'épisode 3 et on a que 4 heures de jeu. On va plus vite que le premier jeu. Hein.
And don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm, there's a golden sky. And your dreams hear the song of love. Walk out to
Parmi les décombres. Oh mon dieu, la tête. Get. Parmi les décombres.
Oh
c'est
non,
quoi,
on a plus la casquette.
non mais non, c'est pas Clem. Sélection du chapitre. Allez, simple.
Allez, sans retour. Meurtrier sur motard. Si t'as peur, tu te retires. Robertinho. Coup franc pour Barcelone, bien placé. Lewandowski qui va s'en charger. Honnêtement, la dernière fois que j'ai vu Lewandowski mettre un coup franc.
Who do you think did this?
Think about it. You're Carver, what do?
Ça va finir Lewandowski. Les gars, peu importe si jamais il finit au fond, je vous aimerai autant.
Non,
Sachez-le,
mais
les
bon,
gars.
je crois que Bonnie, on va l'aimer et on va le
People
retrouver
like
sa tête.
Matthew aren't coming back.
Non, je m'en fous d'elle, il va crever. Oh putain.
Je pense que tu vas changer d'avis sur Bonnie.
Ah ouais?
Ouais, je pense qu'à un bout de moment, elle va sauver quelqu'un. Je suis pas sûr, hein. Mais je sais que Bonnie, elle va
Ah bah
devenir
après,
gentille.
à cause d'elle, on a quand même perdu Walter.
Oui, bon, Walter.
Bah, c'était pas le mec le plus utile, mais
La paix, ça va 2 minutes.
on aurait pu me faire quand même.
As a family.
Mais tu sais, l'autre, il va nous
Ah,
prendre pour son fils, hein. L'autre, il va nous prendre pour sa fille, hein. Il va nous regarder et il va vouloir nous endurcir. C'est grâce à lui qu'on va devenir fort, je pense. Ouf. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Regarde, on get qui comme ça? Mais
Papillon.
Pourquoi on regarde un papillon? Pourquoi on touche un papillon?
You about done over there?
Yeah, 1 second. Thanks for coming with me. It's scary out here.
Ah, vas-y, j'en
know
peux
they
plus
made
de
you.
elle.
It's still nice that you came.
On est amis, n'importe, ça me
We're
pose.
friends.
Toi,
Friends
tu
look out
casses
for one
les couilles,
another.
toi.
We are, aren't we? Well, if you need to pee, let me know. I'll keep lookout for you.
Ah, chaque fois, elle ouvre sa bouche, j'en ai marre.
Okay.
Ah, c'était une voiture, c'était pas des lampes torches. Mais guette comme ils sont stuff, eux.
Everything come out all right,
Il
girl?
me semblait que c'était de voiture.
Eh, vas-y, vas-y.
Troy, get him tied up.
Will do.
No problem.
Now we're
Lui, il
on
me
our
fait le mec
way.
un peu, lui, là.
Probably 30 minutes out. Make sure everyone's prepped. Emotions might be running high. Carver out.
Des
If
fortes
I
émotions.
find out you've been wasting fuel to keep that fucking heater going, I'll make you walk back.
Nope. Froze my ass off. Just like you told me to.
Vas-y, on peut pas
It ain't
t'accepter.
polite to listen to other folks' conversations.
Et
Has anyone
j'avais une
ever
radio
told
comme ça,
you
je sais
that?
pas. Continue à fixer. On continue à fixer ou pas? Quand on continue à le fixer?
Ouais.
Vas-y. On va pas faire un ami. Oula.
No, stop! Don't hit my friend!
You don't want to test me, girl. I'll pass every time.
Ah ouais, tu gagnes à chaque fois, on va voir ça. On va voir ça.
Leave her alone!
Ferme ta
Ah,
gueule,
toi, tu vas
toi,
t'en manger une,
Ferme
toi.
ta gueule, toi aussi.
Ah, baisse les
Tie
yeux.
her up and throw her in with the rest of them.
On se relève seul.
Lève ta main, lève ta main.
Non, lève ta main.
Ah, ça, maintenant tu veux me faire la suceuse. Vas-y, casse-toi.
Ouais. Et Walter, tu faisais pas le cirque pour Walter, hein, quand elle te donnait la sac de bouffe.
Putain.
Tu menaces qui, toi, petit bouffon, va. Je vais te faire la zipette, tu vas voir.
Are you guys okay?
Tes contours ronds, là.
Ça va te faire danser, toi.
Hey, did he hurt you? Hey, hey!
Toi, tu vas finir sur
Ah oui,
Snap,
moi, il m'a frappé.
bagarre de rue, toi. Bêtement, tu vas finir. Tu vas finir piétiné
Ça va faire
bêtement.
un thread sur toi, hein, ce trou du cul.
Oh, tu connais Hubert Bagarre? J'avais 100% de win rate. Oh Kenny, oh Kenny. Contre Alvin, tu vas te mettre à genoux et tu vas me supplier de me remercier. Il est où Luc? Putain,
Mais Luc, il est
casse.
toujours affreux, Luc.
Luc, on a choisi. Ah, vas-y, gros. Bon, bah, du coup, on peut retrouver Luc maintenant. Mais du coup, eux, ils connaissent l'endroit.
Alright, we gotta do something. Come on. Anyone got anything sharp? Anything?
Quel endroit?
Bah, eux, ils se sont déjà allés. Ils se sont enfuis de l'endroit où on va là.
Hey, Clem, help me find something to get these off. Anything sharp that could cut these.
And what good is that gonna do?
Pourquoi
What the
s'embêter?
hell is wrong with you people?
Ouais.
We gotta get out of here.
Comme quoi?
Comme quoi?
Like what?
What do you mean, like what? Something sharp. Anything that can help. A fucking... I don't know. Anything. We're in a fucking precarious position here. We gotta do something about
Settle
that.
down, Kenny. They took everything. We have to keep a level head.
He's right. You don't know Bill like we do.
Bill? This whole time it's Carver, Carver, Carver. Now he's fucking Bill?
Ah, Bill, on le connaît pas, Bill?
Oh, I see what it is. Y'all are just getting a
Bill.
ride home, aren't you? That's what's going on here.
Say
Keep
that
it.
again. I'd stay out of this,
Oh.
boy.
Mister, I ain't a boy.
No, right. You're a man.
You don't understand. He's different. It's worse.
The fuck are you talking about?
He wants to punish us.
Ah, on va pas
You
dire.
could have warned us.
Yeah, you didn't tell us he was a fucking psychopath.
You have no idea what you're dealing with.
Oh, he gave me a pretty good goddamn idea back at the lodge. And I don't intend to sit around here and let that happen to the rest of us. I'm trying to help.
I'm sure Walter really appreciated your help.
That's not fair. You're blaming him for the actions of a madman.
I am pointing out that regardless of intent, there are consequences to rash actions. Something that he seems to be misreading as capitulation.
I don't know what the fuck you're saying, but I know it's bullshit. We have to do something.
Kenny,
You can't reason with him.
Oh shit. Jackpot.
Sit down. You're going to get us all killed.
Y'all don't know what you're talking about. We get cooped up in some kennel like a bunch of fucking dogs, it's over.
You don't know that.
Yeah? Well, I've been in this situation.
Kenny, calme-toi.
before. You ever been a prisoner?
We've all
Kenny,
Ouais.
calme-toi, arrêtez de vous battre. Arrêtez de vous battre, ça, on a encore les culs entre
Arrêtez
les
de
deux.
battre, arrêtez de battre. Ouais, mais frérot, il faut pas qu'on se
been
divise là.
prisoners. Why do you
Merde,
think
putain,
we
c'est quand
left?
je faisais le casser.
Stop fighting! Please.
Putain, on est vraiment la daronne. hein.
Now we're talking.
Carver will be on the other side of that door with 10 people.
There, baby. It's okay.
Oh, mais va la fermer sa gueule, elle.
At this point,
Ah,
we
t'as
can
raison,
use
pleure,
only
tu pisseras moins, toi, là-bas.
Who's gonna do something
Casse
to
les
get done it by now?
Who knows what he's dealing with? Anything can happen out there.
I'll tell you what happened. He abandoned us.
Il t'a invité.
You don't know that.
I know he ain't here.
He may
Luc
not
va nous
be
aider,
around,
voilà.
but
Luc,
he wouldn't just
Luc,
leave
le
us
goth,
behind.
Luc.
That guy's a flake. I could tell the second I set
Luc,
eyes on him.
Luc,
Luke will
va
help
il va
us.
courir derrière la voiture. Il fait un petit
When?
full swing derrière la
After
voiture.
that crazy fuck's killed us all?
Après, Luc, il sait, il
Hey,
connaît, il sait
look,
où c'est, lui.
Clem,
Il va revenir avec des armes, des gens, il va revenir avec tout.
close.
Avec une
okay,
arme, il va
let's
revenir.
do this.
They have guns.
Et dans son armée, il y aura
What
Lily
exactly do you expect to
et
do?
Krista.
I'm
Voilà,
gonna
je veux
punch
pas spoil,
the first
mais...
son of a bitch I see,
Je vais éclater
then
le
I'm
premier
gonna
fils de
take his
pute,
gun
ensuite je
and
prends
use
son
it to
arme.
shoot the next son
Et je
of a
tue le
bitch I
deuxième
see.
fils de pute que je vois.
Shut up, Doc. This ain't your call. Hey, just if something happens, just help out, okay? Don't, get yourself hurt or nothing, but any help would be good. Hey, Clem, look at me. You trust me, right?
Vas-y, dis-lui, ouais, comme ça,
Kenny,
comme ça, faire le
please,
bon.
just
C'est pas un
listen
bon
to
plan.
them. They know him.
Fais-lui
What he's-
confiance.
Je lui dis, je lui fais confiance. Eh gros, on va le descendre, Kenny. On va descendre Kenny.
Non, c'est pas nous, on va laisser lui, il va se faire
I
descendre.
trust you. I'll do what I can.
All right. It's okay to be a little scared, but we
Voilà,
gotta
faut
do
pomper un
this.
peu Kenny.
Kenny juste il va juste manger un coup de crosse. Ah bah.
Voilà, c'est
Kenny,
fini.
are you okay?
Is he okay?
I think so.
Oh, what hit me?
It's probably
avec le
for the
plan.
best.
Oh, comme ça on achète Kenny. On achète Kenny et on n'a rien fait dans l'histoire. Incroyable. Pas à perte la phrase.
Goddamn brakes ain't working for shit.
All right, up and at him.
Fais le briquet.
How'd you get your restraints off? Come here.
Nous avons des têtes familiers de retour.
Mm.
I think I've got an idea.
It might not come all at once, but time will heal these wounds. So be patient with them until it does. And take solace in knowing that they're here to help us make our home a better place. All these feelings you have of anger, betrayal, hate, they're all valid. No one needs to forget what they did. But we do have to find it in our hearts to forgive them.
Look
On
how
dirait une
much
putain de
food
secte.
they have.
Oh, I hope you ain't
Oh,
saying
si,
what I
ils sont
think
vraiment
you're
bien
saying.
par contre. hein. Regarde les armes qu'ils ont, toute la nourriture qu'ils ont, tout. frère.
Can it
Ah,
wait
ils sont
until
royaux.
morning? We're all exhausted.
Just come the fuck on.
I need him. I need my dad.
Ferme ta gueule, toi.
I can't. He's.
Ah, mais putain, oh, quand sa mère, elle me- oh putain, j'avais pas vu la touffe de cheveux derrière elle. Vous voulez pas la descendre elle en 2-2?
Grandis. Ouais, vas-y,
Grow
faut.
up, Sarah. You're gonna get us in trouble. I don't care. And don't tell me to grow up. You're just a little kid.
I'm older than you.
Ferme ta gueule, tu pleures, t'as
Oh
pleuré.
là là.
C'est toi qui as été frappé.
Non, c'est pas toi justement.
Ah, c'est pas toi qui as été frappé? Ouais.
Après, quand son père a eu des emmerdes, c'est nous, on s'est levé quand même. Hein.
Make sure y'all stay off the fence. Bill can see if you're messing with it.
Attends, mais pourquoi Bill, c'est qui Bill? On dirait que c'est la batte de baseball. Bill, c'est qui? C'est un fou, quoi.
Thanks, Barney.
Yep.
Youp. Y'a quoi là? Oh, on dirait un tournage YouTube, frère. Ouais, je sais quoi, c'est un loup-garou?
Y'all best get some rest, because there ain't gonna be much for you tomorrow. You're gonna be working hard.
That's for you.
Yeah, it would be. Fucking Bill. Keeps me out in the cold. But at
Putain
least
de
I'll be
Bill. C'est qui
comfortable.
Bill?
Hey guys.
Reggie,
Reggie?
Reggie, il te manque un truc.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. What did they do to you?
Il a volé.
This could have been worse, trust me. I'm lucky to be alive.
It's my fault.
No, it's really not. I would tell you if it was.
Ouais, ce serait pas la première fois que ce soit ta
This
faute, hein, je m'en
happened
vois.
well after you guys left. I guess I should say
Reggie
it's nice
helped
to see
us
you, but
when we ran
it's also
away.
a bummer.
I know. I feel the same way.
What happened to his arm? I don't know. We were all running out together, but then he fell, and everybody kept running. I know he had both his arms then.
En gros,
They got me working outside. Lurker snuck up on me while I was hammering something. Luckily, they took the arm off quick.
non, ça marche. Clémentine, elle aura trop la haine.
Awful. I'm so
De quoi?
sorry.
En gros, il s'est fait
Look,
mordre
it
par
was my
rôdeur
choice
et
to
on lui
help
coupait
you
le bras
guys.
ultra rapidement. Du coup, il s'est pas fait
Alvin, Carver
contaminer.
wants you in his office.
What? Why?
Don't make this difficult. It's too late for that. No, please.
It's okay, Beck. Just get some rest. If he wanted to do something to me, he'd have done it already. I'll be fine.
Bref, lui, il va parler avec
see what he wants.
l'autre là.
Hey, Reggie,
Oh, hey, Troy.
don't go fucking up now. Bill's real close to letting you out of here. You make sure things stay nice and quiet out here tonight, and I'll be sure to let Bill know just how helpful you were.
Yeah, you can count on me. Thanks, Troy.
Don't mention it.
Ah, c'est qui Bill? Ah, ferme ta gueule, Troy. Pardon, toi, attends, on va te baiser, Troy. Troy, t'es le premier sur la liste, Troy. T'es devant Carvley et
C'est le merde
Bonnie.
déjà.
All right, let me
Troy.
introduce you. We were with them when we got
Un peu
caught.
Hunter,
Hey,
un peu
I'm Reggie.
autre chose.
That's Sarita.
Hello.
And
Mais on
that's
dirait on est
Kenny.
dans un zoo en
Hey.
fait.
Hello, who are you? This
Parle-nous,
freaks you
parle-nous.
out.
Ça a un
It's
bon,
okay.
ça a l'air un bon, ça a l'air un bon.
Freaks me out too sometimes.
My name's Clementine.
Lui, il a
It's
rien,
very
il a pas
nice
de
to
calage,
meet
il
you,
peut pas nous menacer.
Clementine.
Bah, il a pas de bras non plus.
Hey, where's Carlos?
Bill's
Moyen
already got him
talent.
looking at some folks.
Oh, okay.
Mais
Good.
si, je sais toujours pas que c'est
What
Bill.
about Pete?
Ah, si!
Ah,
Bah,
Pete?
c'est un des gros hackers, quoi.
De quoi?
C'est un des mecs là qui nous ont
Can you
chopés,
guys
genre.
save it for the
Ouais, mais on l'a pas
morning?
vu. Wesh, on dirait Lee?
Si.
Some of us gotta be up early.
Quel abruti. C'est qui
Who's
ça?
that? I don't know.
I don't recognize the voice.
No problem. Sorry about that.
On dirait trop Lee. Hein.
Okay, that's
Mhm.
Mike. He's kind of a dick when he's tired, but like I said, he saved my life, so I put up with that shit. Bill put him to work outside the wall with me.
I'm so sorry.
Bill par-ci, Bill
Stop
par-là.
it,
Ah,
I'm
pas
sorry.
pitié, c'est qui
It
Bill?
was my choice. Besides, he said once you were
Huh?
all caught, he'd let me rejoin the group,
C'est une
so
vilaine, hein?
I'm glad
Huh?
you're here.
C'est Molly?
I'm just joking.
Non.
I know.
I mean, he did say that, but I'm
Mais
not
on dirait
happy
trop
about
Molly.
it.
Who's she?
Who?
The girl over there?
Oh, yeah, right. Okay, so she's fucking weird. They found her sneaking around outside the camp covered in guts and just like the grossest shit.
It's probably best not to stare.
I know how it must look. But
Ah,
it's
tu sais, il
really
la prend
not
pour la
that
folle
bad
parce qu'en
here.
gros, elle s'est recouverte
Reggie.
de
No,
trucs de
I'm
zombies.
serious.
Mais
Right
sauf qu'elle, elle est
now,
au
we're
courant
going
que les
to
trucs
find
zombies n'attirent
food
pas les
like we
zombies.
have. We've got the canned stuff, and now with the greenhouses coming along,
On
we've
dirait
got
Molly cheveux
fresh
courts. Hein.
food. The building's getting more and more secure all the time, mostly through forced labor, but that's only temporary. They've even got the solar panels working. When was the last time you had electricity, huh?
Well, we just came from a lodge with a wind turbine.
It's
and-
not a competition. I'm just saying, it's not as bad as you think. We're building something great here, guys. A real community. Bill is making it happen. Look, I've made mistakes, and he's forgiven me.
That doesn't make up for what he's done, Reggie.
I
Ça
know
ressemble à
that,
une prison.
but I'm starting to see what this place offers. I didn't before, and with the accident, it's just that much more important now.
It feels more like a prison.
Well, that is a very negative attitude.
She's right, Reggie.
Listen, I'm really close to getting let back into the group. Once that happens, I can do a lot more to help you guys be more comfortable.
Comfortable? What do you think this
I
is?
just
Gros,
don't
ça va être la
want
poucave
you
du
to
groupe.
mess things up for me. I've worked really hard to get to this point.
En
Will you
gros, ils te
please
font
just
travailler.
try not to
Quand,
cause
en
any
gros, quand
trouble?
t'es un nouveau, ils te font
At
travailler. Et
least
quand t'as bien
until they
travaillé, ils
release
te
me.
rajoutent dans le groupe.
Then, once I'm out, I could help you more. Maybe even help get you out.
We won't get you in trouble.
They're expecting me to keep things in line out here.
Well, if Carver's such a great guy,
En gros, c'est le
sure
prochain
you
qui
got
va rejoindre la
nothing to
liste
worry about.
proche de Carver.
We can at least talk about it more in the morning. Just have a quiet night and chat again tomorrow.
I can't believe what I'm hearing.
Look, the fact is, Bill had every reason to kill me when I helped you guys, but he didn't. Obviously, I don't know what happened while you were all gone, but he's given me a second chance, and I know he'd do the same for you.
Reggie, I don't want a second chance. I want to leave with my family. That's it.
Your family is safer here.
I need to sit down.
Yeah, come on. Sarah, can you go see if there's something for her to drink?
Okay.
Yeah, there's water over by the benches. Ah, that didn't go as planned. Should have actually made a plan.
Man, fuck that guy. I don't think we can trust him. I mean, clearly he's already drank too much of the
Je lui
Kool-Aid.
fais pas
I
confiance.
don't trust him
Bah,
either.
vu.
He acts strange.
Yeah, I guess getting part of your body chopped off can do that to a fella. You gotta take a look around. We gotta know if there's anything we can exploit to get out of here. We're in a tight spot. Gonna have to wriggle our way out.
Sure. I'll
Eh,
have a
Rishi, je
look
m'en bats les
around.
couilles qu'il a des ennuis, ce mec.
That Troy asshole's gone for now. This is our chance. Don't worry about Reggie. I'll go help run interference on him.
Gros, je te jure, je déteste Régie. Hein.
Walker just snuck up on you,
Ça se
huh?
voit, c'est un...
Yep, I was distracted.
Ça se voit, c'est un trou du cul, Reggie.
Just wasn't thinking. There's all kinds of noise, hammering and stuff. I saw its shadow. It moved in front of one of our work lamps down here and knocked it over. Couldn't even see for a second. That's when it got me.
Hello?
Get lost.
But Mike killed the walker, then took off.
Attends 2 secondes.
But what are you gonna do?
I saw a fella try that a few months ago.
Guess it's better than the ground.
It's not.
Yeah, like I said, it felt like Mike had
J'ai
done it
peur lui. Je suis collé à lui.
Turned it on me real quick.
Il a raison de dormir.
Hey, Clem.
Nick?
Just
Ta
think
mère.
about Luke. Just... There's no way he's gone. That he left.
Mais non, il est pas
How
parti.
about it?
Je t'ai dit, il va revenir avec
'Cause
une armée.
me, I known him for damn near 20 years now, and I can't buy it.
On le
Of course, I
connaît
can't say it's
jamais.
never crossed my mind. Things change. Whole damn world change.
I think you're right. He'd never leave you guys behind.
Us guys, you mean?
Yeah, us guys.
Guess I'll try and get some sleep. You should too. They're gonna ride our asses tomorrow for sure.
Okay.
Night.
C'est vrai que ce serait con de faire nuit blanche là, Clémentine, si tu vois ce que je veux dire.
Looks rickety.
Oula,
C'est
bon, comment ça?
branlant, c'est-à-dire quoi? Je connais pas cette expression. Sarah va te faire foutre, pas la flemme de parler, Rebecca flemme de parler à toi. Bon, on va parler à Clénie après, juste.
Allez, tout faire foutre, au pire, ça ira plus vite.
On peut pas savoir ce qu'il y a derrière, non?
Hey, Clem, come on. Don't be like that.
She ain't doing nothing wrong, Reggie. Just relax.
How can I relax when she's walking around touching everything?
Ouch. looks kind of crappy.
Well, out with it. Do you see any way out of here?
The fences seem pretty strong.
Yeah, they do. All right. A whole house full of building supplies? I guess it ought to be.
Dad!
Et là, il tue le devant sa fille.
All right, go the fuck to sleep. I'm shooting the first one of y'all I see wandering
Oui,
around
Bill.
before sunup.
Ouais, allez, Troy,
Troy, where's Alvin?
Everybody get to bed.
Je crois que tu mets des menaces à qui, Troy?
Some of these folks ain't too keen on leaving. It's up to us to figure out a way out of here. You up for it? It's your decision.
Est-ce que j'ai le choix?
Do I have a choice?
Of course.
Really?
Nah, not really. You gotta do this one. Now get some sleep. We'll need it.
C'est saison 3 du coup ça.
Aïe.
Je réveille qui là? Reste couché. Quoi?
What?
Get up. Bill's gonna have a word.
Je m'en bats les couilles.
Ah ok, j'ai pas le choix.
Comment je peux baisser ton
Je suis le dernier réveillé. Je suis le dernier réveillé. Ouais, on va voir la ganache de Bill. C'est pas Bill ça. C'est Carver.
Non, c'est Carver.
There's been increased walker activity along the fence, so be mindful when outside the walls. The herd's moved a little closer as of this morning, but that still doesn't necessarily mean we'll be hit. No, we're monitoring the situation.
La meuf, elle s'est barrée.
Now,
Non.
Mais si.
there are some folks might be
Sur toi, tu l'as pas vu?
what
Non, mais on voit le
happened
travail.
and how things went.
Elle travaille de rien du
That's
tout
all
pour
in the
s'échapper.
past now. Some of you are new to our community. Some of you are members who went astray. But know that you can find redemption here, forgiveness, by proving your worth through what will undoubtedly be hard work. Reggie, you're nearly back in.
Oui, mais en gros, ils nous exploitent pour avoir une vie meilleure. Bref, c'est.
We'll welcome you back with open arms.
How'd you sleep?
Let Reggie be an example to
Les
you.
bras ouverts, pas trop.
Salvation is available, but
Ferme-la.
Kenneth will be taking over Reggie's
Well, you
duties
don't have to
outside
be
the wall.
rude about it.
Michael
Ouais, mais
will
je me casse les
continue
couilles, hein,
on,
ça charge
showing
avec
his
Thought it was nice
value.
to finally.
Carlos,
Yes?
your child seems to be in need of correction.
Ouais, je pense aussi, honnêtement.
I'm sorry. Sarah, apologize to Mr. Carver.
Sorry, sir.
No, that ain't gonna cut it. I can't have this kind of behavior on day one of your reform. You discipline her now, Carlos.
How do you propose that
One good smack across the mouth should do it. It'll make her think twice before opening it up again. Go on, we'll wait.
Oh, on se dénonce, on dit c'est nous, on dit c'est nous.
I'm not sure with my hand that I
Well, that's why you got two hands, Carlos. Come on. Not some namby-pamby thing, all right? A good hard smack. Otherwise, Troy here will do it for you. I don't think you want that. He can be overzealous. Is that the word?
If it means I'll slap the shit out of her, then yeah.
C'est ma faute, c'est ma faute.
It's my fault.
Hey, no one's fucking talking to you.
Unless you want one of what she's about to get, I'd pipe down, Missy.
Tu crois que c'est moi qui va. Vas-y, t'as une calache, pas à faire. Oui, une petite tarte. Une petite tarte.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry.
Mon rêve, il l'endort.
On va aller dans le coma.
Ouais, prends là, la Robert, la Djokovic.
Mais ouais, je voulais l'envoyer dans le coma, quoi. Mais c'est bon, ça joue.
Stop! You're not cuddling that girl anymore. Let her sit there and think about what she's done.
En vrai, il a raison, Carver. Non, mais Carver, il faut lui montrer la vraie vie.
Everyone else should have their assignments.
Non, mais juste, elle casse les couilles, je suis avec gros.
Ah, c'est vrai.
God damn. You really knocked the shit out of her, Doc.
Everyone get to work.
You're working in the armory. Follow me.
Ferme ta gueule, toi. Vas-y, je suis obligé de suivre.
Soil coming up.
God damn this thing.
Oh, shit.
Clementine!
Je pense qu'elle, elle veut s'évader.
Mais
Go on inside. Bonnie's waiting.
Écoute-moi bien, Bonnie. On va être tellement méchante avec
pas mal,
toi.
pas mal.
Hey, I guess you're starting your day with me.
En vrai, l'armurerie, c'est un job
We're
facile. Hein.
loading magazines.
Elle pose pas de questions, t'auras pas de réponse.
That's it. You got it.
Non mais vous connaissez déjà ça, Mars.
C'est moi qui règle.
I suppose I owe you an apology. I wasn't truthful when I came across y'all at the lodge, and I was shown a kindness I never would have expected from a group of strangers. But now folks are dead, and I can't help but feel I'm to blame. But the plan was for no one to get hurt. I truly
C'est la faute de
believe
Carver
that
en
was the
soi.
intent.
C'est Carver qui l'a descendu.
At least it was mine going into it.
Carver's the one who pulled the trigger. He's to blame.
Yeah, but I surely didn't help matters. I thought if I was the one that found everyone, I could control it. Keep everyone safe. But that ain't how it went. I apologize. Which don't account for much, but it's all I can offer right now.
Elle peut nous offrir quoi? Un Glock?
How was your first night in the yard? I know it ain't so comfortable, but
Tu veux dire la prison?
it's safe.
You mean my first night in prison?
It ain't a prison, more of a work release.
Didn't they do those in prisons?
Well, probably. I don't know. I
Bon,
never
on peut
been to
demander à
prison.
Ali, il est y allé.
Don't tell no one. Trying to keep a tough reputation. I was supposed to go. When Luke and Carlos and all them left, I was planning on leaving too. When
Tu peux
Luke
écouter?
approached me about it, I thought he was crazy. I mean, we're safe here.
Ils n'ont jamais parlé de toi. Ils nous ont jamais
They
parlé de
never
Bonnie.
mentioned you.
No? Not even Luke? Well, I mean, that's to be expected, ain't it? You don't know me, do you? What are they gonna say? Bonnie ain't here? You wouldn't know what he was talking about.
Il voulait s'enfuir là, parce qu'elle s'est pas enfuie.
I justified not going by telling myself it's easier to try and change something that's broken than start all over. Take this situation with the herd. That's the type of thing that rips a community apart. He keeps things in line. He's got a lot of this stuff figured out.
Herds have come through before?
Yeah, it's happened a few times. We've always come out on the other end all right. It's something I think about whenever I consider leaving. I mean, it ain't easy keeping a group this big fed and protected. I don't envy that position. Figured that'd make anyone a little stressed. I'm not defending what he did. That was... I'm alive because of him.
Il est fou. Il est
That's
fou,
just
point.
a fact.
C'est pas notre collègue.
Crazy.
He's overstressed.
It's easier to just say crazy.
Luke had ideas about how things should go, but they didn't line up with what Bill was thinking. They butted heads. Then Rebecca started showing, and that only made things worse. Maybe Luke was right about him. I wish he was around, but I just hope he's safe.
Hey, Bonnie, is that girl down there? I need to come get her.
Yeah, she's here.
Okay, I'll be right over.
I'm sure it's fine. Oh, almost forgot. I grabbed this for you.
Elle a trouvé un truc pour moi?
Huh?
Quoi ça?
What do you think?
Une doudoune.
I figured
Yob,
the lodge
sa
all right.
mère.
Think it might be for skiing. Had to
Vas-y.
wait for no one to be
Yeah,
around to
faut
get
être
it to
méchant,
you.
faut être gentil.
It's cool. I like it.
Well, I'm glad.
Menteuse.
I thought it was cute, but I didn't know what you'd think. You better watch yourself. I think some folks might be jealous of that cool jacket of yours.
Je
Oui,
vais
bon.
jeter à la poubelle.
What's with the ugly jacket?
Tavia.
What?
Never mind. I'll see you later, Clementine.
Come on.
Tavia, elle s'appelle. T'as critiqué ma doudoune?
Follow me. Come on.
parle bien. Je vais devoir te traîner devant tout le monde après, ça va pas le faire.
Demande pas mon âge, t'auras pas de réponse. Je vais nous exécuter quoi.
Stay in here for a minute. I'm gonna radio down and
shit.
find out what you're doing. Don't touch anything.
On touche à rien. Allez là, Sarah.
Que tu pleures sur ma mère.
C'est
Hey,
qui la petite, hein? C'est qui la petite? Tu dois être forte. Non, tu dois être
You have
forte.
to be tough, Sarah. Everything is harder now, but you have to be tough to survive. My dad's never hit me before. Even when I was really bad. He
T'aurais
never
pu
hit
être pire avec Troy.
Troy would have been way worse. Your dad had to do it. Carver made him. So, in a weird way, Carver's the one that hit you, not your dad. He didn't want to do it, Sarah. Carver made him. He's the bad guy, not your dad. I guess so. Carver hit me super hard, 'cause it still hurts like crazy. Yeah, it looked like it. Well, thanks for trying to help. I don't know why people have to be so mean. Like, even when I'm really mad, I still don't want to hurt anyone.
Oh, c'est lui.
Don't mess this up.
Yeah, I get it.
Reggie's in charge here, okay? Listen to him carefully.
Yep, no problem, Tavia.
Oh, on n'est
Okay,
pas
we gotta
collègues,
do
on
a
n'est pas
good
collègues.
job, guys. The camp is counting on us. Come on, I'll show you what to do. It's super easy. Pick up a pair of those shears. Okay, so we're picking these berries, right? Just pick them, put them in the basket. Simple. While you're at it, if you see any dead branches, take those shears and cut them off and stack them neatly for composting. Got it?
Elle va pas se trancher la gorge, hein.
Hey, so, is she gonna be okay? Because what happened down there? That was straight fucked up. I don't want her freaking out and getting me in trouble.
I talked to her. I think she's okay.
Good, good. Because I'm awful at that stuff. Look, Bill's had it out for me ever since I helped those guys escape, so I gotta concentrate on my work. That was awkward. I won't do that again.
Plus jamais tu
I'm
me
gonna
touches
go
la
work
tête, hein.
now.
Elle pense à quoi en regardant ça? Ouais, on aide Sarah, on s'en bat les couilles du Scott. Hein, ça. On s'en bat les couilles. Au pire, il aidera à nous mettre
Hey.
une taf. Il va nous frapper, Bill.
Here, watch me. This isn't that hard, Sarah. I know. I'm just afraid I'll make a mistake. It won't be the end of the world if you do. Just keep going.
Oh, shit.
Oh no.
You didn't do any of your work, Clem.
Just checking in. See how the new girls are working.
On a rien fait, on a rien fait, on est dans la merde de baiser. On est dans la merde de baiser, Mathis.
Reggie,
Yeah, Bill. Hey.
what the fuck happened in here?
Look, Bill, they're new, and me with my arm, it's just not the easy. I have one arm.
Shut up,
so-
shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Ok.
Il te parle
You
mal, hein?
better have an explanation for this. And I mean now.
Bill, please, just.
Sounds like you're about to give me an excuse when I ask for an explanation.
We'll get it done.
C'est ma
Just give us
faute, c'est
some
ma
more
faute.
time.
On assume.
Vas-y,
up,
on
Reggie.
prend tout.
You had a task.
En plus, c'est jour
You
la
didn't
Eid. Je
get
suis
it
obligé de
done.
respecter c'est le mec.
Looks to me like you
Tu vois
failed.
pas de qui
It
je
was
parle?
my fault. I didn't show Sarah well enough. I guess.
No, this
Carvé,
ain't
il...
your fault.
Est-ce Carvé il commence à en
We
avoir marre?
talked about this, Reggie. Didn't we? But you just don't get it, do you?
Get what?
Why don't you girls wait outside? Reggie and I have a few things to talk about.
Oula, il y en a, il va passer un sale quart d'heure.
Et j'essaie de te sauver Reggie, hein. Oublie pas. Hein.
Thanks for the help, girls.
On va prendre un coup de feu.
Ah, il va pas le tuer, il va pas le tuer. C'est une main d'œuvre. Il peut pas le tuer. Surtout, il a deux doigts de rejoindre son côté.
Il faut pas sauter, là.
Are you okay?
I gave you plenty of chances.
Bill, no!
Ah, c'est Bill.
No! 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 Please! Ah!
Oh, le fils de
Weakness, incompetence. It puts us all at risk, and it won't be tolerated. You think about that the next time you're asked to do something. Get downstairs. Bonnie's got some stuff for you to do. Go!
Tu mets la skip, petit trou du cul que t'es va. Ah, du coup, on a tué. On pouvait pas le sauver, Reggie. Parce qu'en fait, si on faisait notre travail, Sarah, elle aurait rien fait.
Oh, hey. So, they want you to run some supplies out to the guys working at the expansion. Real simple, just take this over to them. That jacket looks real nice. I don't know what Tavia's talking about. What's wrong? Clem? You alright?
Ouais, vas-y.
Reggie's dead.
What? What are you talking about?
Carver killed him. He pushed him off the roof.
Maybe it was just an accident.
Non, non, c'est pas un accident.
Alors, tu vas pas me prendre pour une conne, toi?
Listen to me. Take this stuff out to those guys and come straight back. Just be safe, okay? Now ain't the time to be calling attention to yourself.
Ah, faut comprendre ses conseils, faut pas qu'on attire l'intention là. Je rigole ma bite, on va les cracher sur Carver. Sur Bill, on va cracher là.
All right.
Go on.
Ah, mais attends, il y a des rôdeurs? Après, il avait un bras en moins.
That ain't your concern. Get
Non,
that
mais...
stuff over to them boys.
Mais par contre, attends,
Just follow them cables.
là, du coup, il va se transformer en vrai, non?
Non, j'ai l'impression que son crâne est bien explosé. Ça s'en bat les couilles. Mais tu le sens ou pas que, en même temps, on va faire un taf de merde et les zombies vont casser la barricade? En gros, je t'explique. Ceux qui sont dans la zone, là, dans la prison, là, c'est les mecs qui font les tâches les plus sales, genre, qui peuvent mourir à tout moment. Ils s'en battent les couilles d'eux.
I ain't nobody's laborer. Fuck that. Let them do this shit themselves if it's so goddamn important.
Get your fucking hands off me,
You ain't
man.
gonna force me to do this bullshit.
I said get your hands off me.
Or what? You gonna go
Putain,
tell
j'ai
on
vraiment
me?
eu...
I'm trying to help you, asshole.
Reggie est
Yeah,
mort.
this is a real help. Why
Ouais.
don't you just worry about yourself?
Reggie's dead. Carver killed him.
What? You sure? Or did you...
Shit! Fucking grab something!
Oh, la vache, c'est plus long que elle.
Putain, mais attends, je peux rien faire? Je peux rien faire? Oh, le crâne était solide, hein. Ah, c'est cul pour moi, bande d'enculés.
On est mort là, je reconnais.
Non, j'ai vu. Oh la mort de... La massue, on peut pas. L'échelle. Les jambes, vise les jambes. Voilà.
On a plus de massue. Vas-y, mais tiens debout, Clem.
Elle tombe à cause d'une corde. Ça.
Il est con. Pas tomber sur le zombie.
Mais est-ce qu'on choisit des items intéressants ou pas, ou on s'en bat les couilles? Les zombies vont pas te voir. Ah. C'est Bonnie ou pas?
C'est lui.
Ah, c'est lui.
Un Stroy.
Get up. Get out of there. Come on. Make me save your ass. Jesus.
Oh, thank God you're okay.
All right, enough mushy shit. You get back inside right fucking now. I'm sure they got shit for you to do in there. Now! Think I'm fucking around? Now I gotta sit down here and babysit you assholes. Can't do a simple fucking patch job without me here cracking the whip?
Il parle trop mal, il y a une arme, il fait le mec. Il y a eu deux sauvegardes en même temps là. Tu le sens la merde ou pas?
C'est Luc. C'est Luc.
Stop! Hey, it's me.
Samy, il lance rematch, il joue à rematch, Samy.
Man, bit the hell out of me. Think you drew blood. Come all this way. This is the welcome I get.
What are you doing here?
All right, listen, we ain't got much time. Okay, I followed y'all here best I could. Haven't had a night's rest since y'all got nabbed. And, well, it's the first chance I got to talk to somebody. They're everywhere. Okay, they got guards watching everything. Shh, shh.
Bon, le Barça a perdu.
Ah.
Ils sont menés 3-1.
There's a herd of lurkers just south of us.
Le Celta.
Bigger than I ever seen around these parts.
Carver mentioned that. Said he hopes it passes us.
Putain, vas-y, casse les couilles, frère.
Yeah, I heard folks talking about that, but that ain't so. Okay,
Il y a tellement de pertes de titres là-dessus.
Now, I don't know when, but it's coming and it's gonna be soon. See, I've been looking for places to get you all free, but haven't been able to find anything yet.
When do you think the herd will be here?
I don't know. It's hard to say, really, but I reckon it'll wash over this place when it does. See, Carver? Oh, he ain't dealt with anything like this before.
It seems dangerous.
Well, the whole situation's dangerous, but, well, we're in it now. It's what we got. We just need a plan. And a way to get you and everyone.
Luke!
Oh, sorry, shit. Okay, Troy ain't gonna like you being late. Listen, Clem, I need you to meet me here tomorrow about this time. Because I need you to get me one of those radios, okay? Do you think you can do that? Just one of those walkie-talkies.
Qu'on vole une caméra. On va la réquitter à Bonnie là.
You know, I'll figure out the schedule the patrols are on. I mean, they're all over the place, but I can keep an eye on them for y'all from out here. Look, we ain't gonna be able to shoot our way out of here, so we gotta be careful.
I'm not sure I can. I think they're really strict about that stuff.
Well, you gotta try, Clem, okay? It's really important that I get one of those. Remember, you meet me here tomorrow. I'll try and be here around this time, but if I ain't, just wait as long as you can, because I really need one of those radios. And just let everybody know I'm alright, okay? I'm worried they,
Get out where I can see you.
Go on, get out of here.
The hell were you doing? Huh?
Je me cachais des rôdeurs.
I was hiding from walkers.
Don't go in there, you hear me? That is off fucking limits to you. Bill Radio wants a word with you up in his office. So get on up there, now.
Bill est intéressé par les mineurs?
Ça va venir sur Twitter tout ça.
On va se faire enculer, on va se faire enculer, on va se faire enculer, on va se faire enculer là-haut. Break-le, break-le.
Dude, you better go up and see Bill. He doesn't like to wait. So
Toujours pas c'est qui Bill.
C'est le chef.
Ah, c'est Bill Carter,
Ouais,
Carver,
voilà.
je sais pas quoi.
On l'appelle Bill, c'est plus simple.
3-2, Barcelone. Mais je sais pas s'il y a pas hors jeu.
Il est où l'autre là, le Renoir? À Ville?
Allez.
Regarde, c'est ici. C'est une femme forte entourée d'hommes faibles. Ferme ta chatte, toi. Non! Il a tué Avil?
Alvin? Alvin!
He passed out hours ago. He can't hear nothing. No point in making a racket.
Pourquoi faire ça?
Why are you doing this?
Me and him, we got history. Understand? Couple things
No.
we had to get worked out. I wouldn't be so concerned about his well-being if I were you. Not with you being so close to the fire yourself. Now.
Tu crois que je vais te donner la main, toi? Tu bouffon que t'es là, donne-moi la pomme. Oh, prends la pomme, prends la pomme.
You make sure you tell me the truth when you're sitting where you are.
Ah, Gérard Martin, c'est pas possible à Barcelone.
Ok,
ma
en
parole.
gros, soit on dit la vérité, soit on finit sur cette chaise. On va faire que mentir.
Funny guy. He kept things light. You need folks like that. It's easy to let depression sink in during times like this. But he was weak. And I don't mean just because he was maimed. That wasn't his problem. He was weak of will and weak of character.
Ah, il veut un mec caractère? On va te donner du caractère.
Not anymore. Not with what we got at stake.
Vous êtes un meurtrier?
You have to be able to contribute.
You're a murderer. You can try and call it something else. But I know what it is. What it really is.
Listen, Clementine. It ain't murder. You see, Reggie put us at risk with his incompetence. He's had a string of screw-ups lately. Killing one in order to save many is part of survival. It's one of the tough decisions that a weaker person couldn't make. It's why it falls to people like us to lead them to safety. You understand? Well, I wish it was different, I do. But they are weak, and we are strong. That's why it's our responsibility to shepherd the flock, to keep them safe. It's their nature to follow, not to lead.
I'm not like you.
I know it when I see it. And we're more alike than you think. In fact, I think you realize it, but you're not comfortable with it yet. There's no way you could have lasted this long otherwise. I realized it back in that cabin. You were scared, but you looked me straight in the eye, kept your nerve. That's what we need. If we're gonna get through this, the next generation has to be stronger than the last to lead us out of this. Kids like you, raised the right way, the way my child will be raised. It ain't this herd that keeps me up at night. We can handle that. It's not knowing.
Et si ce n'est pas la vôtre?
Hand all this off to. But I ain't
Si c'est
worried
pas
about
votre
that
gosse?
anymore.
What if it's not yours?
Well, even if that was true, it's mine now.
Ah.
All right.
Ah.
Now,
Bill, you there?
yeah, I'm here.
Oui, 3-3. Barcelone 3-3. Bounce!
How bad is it?
Rails are tweaked so it won't shut
Rafinha
off.
le gars.
I don't think it's an emergency or anything, but it's something Stan should take a look at when he can.
I'll get him on it. Out. That fucking idiot. Herd on its way, and he puts a goddamn ding in my door. Go on back out to the yard. It's almost supper time.
Oula.
Because we all know what happened this morning. I don't know what that son of a bitch is gonna do next.
So you want to ring the dinner bell for a herd of walkers to show up? How is that better?
Because this place will be fucking chaos when that thing hits. No one will be paying any attention to us. And that's when we go. It's our opening. We just gotta figure out a way to draw them to us.
Your friend here wants to get us killed by lurkers before Bill can do it.
What is it with you?
That's what it sounds like to me.
You know that's not what he's saying, but it does sound dangerous.
This shit is all dangerous.
Sound draws walkers. There was this girl, Molly. She used bells to control where they moved.
Yeah, that's right. She had them running all over Crawford. We just need something loud.
Well, unless you've got a megaphone tucked in your pocket, it doesn't help us much now. I still vote we get Luke the radio and wait for an opening.
Oh, come on.
Ouais, c'est débite trop vite,
Do
hein.
you know about Luke?
He flagged us down when Troy wasn't looking. Told us his plan. Mentioned he talked to you.
If Luke can tell us what's going on with the guards, we can use that to pick a good time to escape.
That seems reasonable.
Who knows when that'll be? Look, Clem had it right. We just need something loud to get their attention.
The PA system Carver is always using is quite loud.
There's some speakers outside the building, pointed toward the parking lot. I saw them when we were walking out to the work. Troy's always standing next to one of them. There are a few along the roof.
Do they work? I've never heard them on.
Actually, neither have I.
They're turned off, but it's all controlled in Bill's office. There's a switch in there that'll turn them on.
How do you know that?
Gérard Martin, c'est vraiment
I
nul,
used to
c'est
make a
une
lot of the
dinguerie.
announcements back in the day. I had it flipped on once. Luckily, there wasn't much around at the time to hear it. It was plenty loud, though.
That's perfect. We just gotta get into his office. Why didn't you say something sooner?
'Cause it doesn't change anything. This isn't a discussion about how to do it. It's a discussion about whether it's stupid. And it's still stupid. The sensible thing is to get Luke the radio and wait for an opening.
You're real difficult to deal with sometimes.
Kenny. No, that's all right. You ain't exactly a peach either.
Luke's in no shape to help us. You want to put our fate in that guy's hands?
On peut faire les deux,
It's
j'ai
not
dit.
happening.
Faire le plan de
Why
Luke
can't we
et
do
le plan de
both?
Laura.
Even if we bring the herd to us, it's probably good for Luke to be able to tell us where they're coming from.
You know what? Fine. I can get behind that. Okay, so we get that turd radio. He keeps us posted on the herd's movement. We fire up the PA thing and bring the walkers to roll over this place.
And then what?
Get some guns and shoot our way out. I don't know. Whatever we can. We improvise.
Then that's not a plan. You don't plan to
Il
improvise.
se fait mordre son oreille.
I figured out what your problem is. You don't think this stuff through. If the end of the plan is just to stroll through a herd of walkers, then you should know from the jump there's no way it's ever going to work.
Actually, I do it all the time.
First words I ever hear you say, and it's just some crazy, stupid shit.
Hush. What do you mean exactly?
When you cover yourself in their smell, rub the walker guts all over you. They can't tell you from one of them.
Now I don't know who's crazier.
Trust me, I've walked through herds before. It works. You just have to keep calm and make sure you're good and covered.
You seem to know what you're talking about.
This is nuts.
Lee figured that out.
What?
It's how we got out of the marsh house. Lee covered me and we walked right through.
Really? Holy shit. Oh, good one, Lee. All right, what are we waiting for? Let's get that stupid radio.
We still have to find a way to get in the stockroom.
I got a plan for that too. Come on, kid. Gonna need your help.
Elle est forte celle-là.
Where the
Enfin
hell
une femme
did
avec
she
du
come
caractère.
from?
C'est Molly?
We just need to use the winch. She can just
Je
climb
pense
up
pas,
from
elle
there.
l'aurait reconnu sinon.
Then just drop into one of the skylights over the stockroom. There are shelves and stuff for you to land on, so you probably won't fall to your death.
Great. That thing breaks all the time. Unless something's changed, it won't support much weight.
Come on, up and at him.
Don't push her, Kenny.
She's our best
On le
bet.
fait ou pas?
De quoi?
En gros, elle veut escalader avec la corde, mais c'est bancal la corde. À tout moment, elle peut céder en fait. Et si elle cède, on peut se faire enculer nous. On tense.
En vrai,
On aime
on
personne.
veut de l'action.
I mean that, Clem.
Now or
Oh.
never, I guess.
That's my girl. We gotta get that rope down. Mike, you want to boost her up?
Pire tuer Mike,
Come on,
tuer je
kid.
sais pas qui. On aime personne de toute façon. De toute façon,
Don't
il peut pas
let
tuer, il
go.
peut pas tuer Rebecca
I
parce
got
qu'il y a son gosse.
Ouais.
Il peut pas tuer Kenny. Ah si, il peut tuer Kenny par contre.
Try to hurry, all right? I don't think they're the sharpest guards in the world, but they're no idiots either.
C'est pas les gardes les plus
They
malins
see
du
you not
monde.
in your bunk, we're all done. Shit, he's coming back. I gotta let you go. I can't stand here. Grab something.
Oh.
We're in trouble.
Bill il vient de choper ici? Ah non.
Man, you're not gonna believe what I'm looking at. There's gotta be 2,000 or 3,000 of them out there.
In the parking lot?
No, not in the parking lot. Can't see them all, but I see the dust they're kicking up.
So you're not sure?
What, about how many there are?
Yeah.
How can I be?
Fuck. I hope they pass by us.
God, yeah. You think we're ready this time?
I don't know. Bill thinks we are.
Of course he does, but he thought the same thing last time.
We learned a lot since last time.
Is it enough, though?
We'll find out if they turn this way.
Yeah. Yeah.
Attends, mais Luc, c'est quoi son plan?
Je n'ai pas compris son plan à Luc.
Merde.
Mais il y a un plan, c'est avec les ordres de zombies. Je préfère l'ordre de zombies que le plan de Luc, avec toute honnêteté.
Tu vas avoir un choix, ça
C'est
va être
avec la
sur le plan de
sono.
Luc.
C'est activer les... c'est voler une radio, j'ai oublié.
It's crazy about Reggie, huh?
Yeah.
You think Bill...
Go on.
Nah, it's just... I was wondering if you thought Bill maybe...
Spit it out, Hank.
I don't think Bill was gonna let him back in.
Huh. You don't?
No. Do you?
I don't know. So really, no bullshit. You think we're ready?
I think so. The homestead, at least. I'm not sure about the expansion.
Ils veulent s'enfuir aussi, eux?
They're out there just moaning.
That's what they do.
It's driving me crazy. It's really unnerving.
I know what you mean. Figure we'd be used to it by now.
I wouldn't figure that.
You never got used to a light buzzing or anything?
A little different when it's dead human beings walking around.
I'll give you that one.
So what are you doing tomorrow?
Bill wants me to start getting this bay door fixed.
That why you're down there?
Yep.
What happened to it again?
Troy backed into it when we brought the prisoners, the new people in.
See, it's hard not to call them prisoners.
Anyway, I'm looking at it now. I don't think we have what we need.
Jesus, really?
We repurposed a lot of shit to get this place built. I can't say for sure if we even had the materials before we started expanding.
I don't know about you, but it seems like we really shouldn't be doing this yet. Shouldn't we just wait until we need more space to make more space?
Ah, tu vois pas les autres dans la merde là? Tu vas pas avoir revenir à la prison, il y aura Bill? Ah non.
You get him? Okay, jump down. I got you.
Il va tellement nous rattraper. Ok, ça.
We best get
T'as
in
cru
bed.
douter du frère de
We'll be
Mike?
back any
De Lee?
Well,
Non, je les ai.
Got him.
Putain. C'est quoi la différence entre je les ai et montrer la radio? Dans les deux cas, on montre la radio?
Vraiment, c'est...
Everybody stay where you are. No need drawing suspicion.
That was so cool.
Thank you, Clem.
I told you probably wouldn't die. Nice job.
Ouais, je te tresse, toi. C'était rien.
It was nothing.
C'est rien.
Sure it was.
Bonhomme, ici, on a dit.
Ouais.
Anyway, get some rest.
Demain matin, on va se réveiller avec
I
deux
thought
mecs
about
morts.
Duck today. About his dumb little face. First things that come to mind are always the dumb things he was doing. Kid was always running in circles. Every damn place he went, he'd just run. You couldn't stop him. Makes it harder to remember he was a good boy. Well, long day tomorrow. One long day. All right, we're all here.
Someone's got to get the radio out to Luke. What's the problem?
We should probably figure out who's doing what before we...
Time to get up. Daylight's burning. They let you sleep in, all things considered.
Where's my dad?
He's where the rest of you are going. To work. Rebecca, Nick, Sarah, Jane. If you gotta take a piss, do it now. The next break won't be for a while. Troy will be coming up for the rest of you.
Why just them?
Like I said, Troy's coming for the rest of you.
All right, look, if we're gonna do something, we have to do it now. And if Luke's all we got, then we pair up with him.
I can do it. Where's the meeting?
Mike,
Yeah?
Clementine should do it.
Are you fucking kidding? No offense, but come on, that's crazy. She's a kid. Why would...
There's a million reasons. She knows Luke. She can hide. She got the damn radio for us in the first place.
Who cares?
And I'm sorry, Mike, but I don't know you from
On le
fucking
fait.
Adam, all right? And if I'm trusting
Ouais.
someone to do something this important, I'm trusting her.
Kenny's right. I should do it.
Don't do something stupid just to get some respect.
She doesn't need your respect.
Give me the radio.
All right, little chickens. Let's get to pecking.
All right.
And don't think today's gonna be like yesterday. No way. No shenanigans. This rooster's gonna be surveilling your ass every second of the day, you hear? Got that? I'm afraid I need an answer, girl.
Peu importe. Oui, monsieur.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Oh, you have your pockets all out. Gonna get your tags all snagged on something.
Oh, let's go.
Hey, she's with me?
Oh, shit. I almost forgot.
Yeah.
Well, take her then. I don't care.
Wesh.
Wait, what's going on?
Never mind.
Just chores of a different sort. Come on, City Mouse.
Can't you cut her a break? She'd really rather keep with us, people she knows.
It's nothing that'll hurt her.
Okay.
Trust me, trust me.
It's okay.
Come on.
Pony, elle peut nous aider.
I just wanted to make sure you were all right. I didn't believe you when you told me about Reggie. I ran and found Bill once I left you. Figured even if he had done it, he'd make up some sort of excuse, but Bill was just so matter-of-fact about it. Like he'd pulled up a weed or something, like it had to be done, and that was just one of those moments when your blood runs cold. Goose pimples up and down your arm. 'Cause it turns out the person you thought you knew was never there. You look anxious, Clementine. Something the matter? You know you can talk to me, right? I was dishonest when I first met you, but I swear on everything holy that'll
Je dis quoi? Si Luc m'attend, je te fais pas confiance ou on rejoint Kenny?
On rejoint Kenny, je pense. Hein.
On lui demande de rejoindre Kenny?
Ouais.
Monsieur Luc m'attend. Ah non, mais je suis con, elle est fan de Luc!
Do you now? I can understand you're uncomfortable. I won't force you to be around me if you don't want to. Go on back out and be with Kenny.
Ah, Miskin, ça fait de la peine. Mais vas-y, c'est les couilles.
On fout d'elle.
Ouais, c'est les couilles.
Moi, je suis encore là, non? Oh, parle bien, je m'énerve
You should
bêtement,
get
toi.
going. Bill don't like idle hands.
Oui, bon, toi tu fais quoi avec ton Daka? Je te break. Picor.
Y'all better hurry that shit up. I hate babysitting you assholes.
Luke? Luke, it's me, Clementine. It's safe to come out.
Il a du sang là. Il y a du sang par terre.
Luke! Where is he? That looks really old. He's probably fine. Luke, if you're hiding, come out. Luke!
I swear to Christ you're gonna regret this.
I was...
You ain't supposed to be out here.
Oh, lui, je vais le baiser, lui.
Mais il fait trop le cowboy, hein.
People been here one fucking day and already you're fucking up.
Well, you wait and see what happens. Move! Hey! Get over there.
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
And how is it that we're repaid for our trust? With treachery? With deceit?
Oh,
Non, lui.
With theft?
Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Je suis pas au courant.
I don't know, Clem.
Whatever you were planning is over. It's done. You can't just run from your problems.
Non, il va activer le truc, ça va sonner dans notre poche. Et on va le regarder faire.
Because
Oh,
there's nowhere else you
boulette.
can go where it ain't.
Ouais.
Tough is all we got
Et il
now.
va tuer Luke.
Get that through your fucking skulls.
Non, il va nous aimer parce qu'on a porté nos couilles.
Luke,
Moi, je
here,
pense
you
qu'il faut qu'on
fucking
dise
help
on a la radio, il va aimer
You
parce
gotta
qu'on a
help
porté nos couilles.
yourselves. You gotta help me find the strength to forgive you. Now you can start by telling me where the other one is.
Je pense qu'il faut
I'm
lui
gonna
dire.
count to 3.
Mais
If that
c'est Kenny qui
radio
va notre radio.
ain't in my
C'est moi,
hand
nous,
by
c'est nous,
then, we'll have to make things more difficult.
Je pense qu'il faut qu'on lui dise et on va le choquer.
2.
Ouais.
Je l'ai trouvé, je l'ai trouvé.
I found it.
It's right here. I got it.
Ah putain, il nous a devancé. Mais putain, mais c'était à nous, gros.
It's all right.
Par contre, touche à Kenny.
Sorry
touche.
about that. Not sure what I was thinking.
3.
Ah. Pas de chance.
Fucker.
Et enculé.
Oh, God!
Ça va, c'est ça.
Jesus Christ!
Ok, ça va pas.
Stop!
Stop him! Somebody stop him!
Troy, do something!
Stop!
Clementine, help
You
me!
have to do this, Bill!
No!
Aidez Kenny, on aide Kenny. On va le baiser nous aussi.
Kenny!
J'ai cliqué sur aider Kenny. Ah. Putain, ça fait 2 fois.
On se rend volosse, hein.
Ça fait 2 fois, on se fait enculer.
Bill! That's enough, Bill! Please! Bill, there's a breach!
All right, everyone come with me. Bonnie, you stick around. Make sure these folks don't get into...
T'as dit quoi? T'as dit quoi, Mathis?
Ouais,
Ah, je bug de fou.
je sais plus. Ouais.
Ouais, c'est bon. L'autre chose, c'était aider la femme de
Yeah.
Kenny.
Okay.
No supper
Ouais,
for
mais
y'all
non.
tonight. Maybe an empty stomach will give you some perspective. And we'll try this again tomorrow.
Do your best with him, Carlos. You need to get him able to move, because we're leaving tonight.
Vous partez ce soir?
We're leaving tonight.
Nous partons ce soir? Bonnie qui porte ses couilles! Bonnie, on sait pas si c'est une meuf ou un mec!
Ow. Dang it.
Vas-y, arrête de chialer, toi. Elle est où la fake Molly là? Faut qu'on lui parle. Tu sais, plus on est dans un groupe, plus c'est chaud de survivre. Hein.
Mais après, tu dois protéger tout le monde, quoi.
Ouais, et seul, je sais pas si c'est chaud.
She said she can get us out of the pen if we can get the PA system
Il
going.
faut avoir un petit groupe.
Second she hears it, she'll run over and spring us.
That's great.
It's not great.
What are you talking about?
Look, I know part of this is my fault. I know.
Can we even trust Bonnie?
We got no reason not to trust her. I mean, if she wanted us caught, we'd be caught. But tonight is risky.
It is pretty damn risky, guys.
Risky? Did you see what that son of a bitch just did? Look, the plan works. Nothing needs to change. And it's all set up. The hard part is done. This guy's fucking crazy. Who knows what he'll do next?
Yeah, but now we're dealing with a guy beat to shit, Sarita in no shape to do anything, and I'm a goddamn mess. Look, we should rest up. Okay, we should bide our time, and we should wait for an opening.
Bonnie's agreeing to help us tonight.
And that doesn't mean she can't do it some other night.
Ok, soit on se range du côté de Mike, soit on se range du côté de Luke.
Maybe we should wait.
We're not waiting.
Ain't nothing out there, guys. Trust me, I looked. There's no
Oui,
food.
Kenny,
There's no supplies. They picked everything clean.
Where's Kenny?
Doc's over there working on him. And don't look good.
Mais en fait, si c'était nous, il avait pas nous tabasser à mort quand même, fils de pute.
pas.
This is what I'm talking about.
Can I see him?
I don't think that's a good idea. His orbital is crushed. I don't think there's much hope for the eye. I got him as stable as I could, cleaned it, got some of the swelling down, bandaged it as best I could. But until he wakes up, we won't know if there's any damage to the brain.
Fuck. Okay, look. Maybe I'm just playing devil's advocate here, but if... Damn it, if y'all are serious about going tonight, then we're gonna have to start talking about maybe leaving some folks behind.
No!
There is no other way.
This is bullshit.
Well, I don't like it either, but guess what? It's where we're at.
Kenny and I are only here because of you people, and now you intend to leave us behind.
So we should
On
risk all
n'abandonne
of
pas
our
Kenny.
lives?
What are you saying?
Nothing. I'm just
On
thinking out
n'abandonne
loud
pas
here.
Kenny.
No, we're not leaving Kenny. That's not fair. We stay together.
Life ain't fair, Clem. We're just trying to make the best of a bad situation here. No one wants to leave Kenny.
Good. 'Cause you won't have to.
Eh oui, Kenny.
I'm all right, huh?
Kenny, on est de ton côté.
We leave tonight. Plan don't change. Not bad, old man. Thanks, asshole.
Merci, trou de
You are
balle.
one tough bastard.
Do tough bastards get their ass kicked in front of everybody? You all right? That wasn't your fault, okay? It's all right.
All right. Well, then what now?
We get the hell out of here.
Like now.
Yes.
Where are we going? In case things get squirrely and we gotta make a break for it, we need a place to meet up.
We could meet out at Parker's Run.
The hell is that?
It's a Civil War site a few miles north. Tourist trap. Got signs all over. Just follow the road.
We stopped there after we escaped the first time. Luke and Carlos know where it is. It's not that far.
Well, at least if a few folks know where it's at, it'll be easier to
J'ai une
find if we
sauvegarde, j'y
split
vais,
up.
moi.
All right, that works.
Then we just need someone to go set off that PA, right? I mean, you never bothered to explain who's supposed to do that.
Mais je crois la sauvegarde, c'est juste après. Hein. Pourquoi ça nous guette?
Wait, hold on.
J'ai
She's the
besoin qu'on me
plan?
soulève. Allons-y, allons-y, allons-y.
Bah, il va pas se faire soulever.
Let's go.
Non mais c'est pour dire qu'on y va
Be
aussi.
sure to remember to flip the switch for the outdoor speakers.
Wesh,
Just
penalty.
the indoor speakers might not draw the herd. It's right on the microphone
Non.
box.
Pourquoi?
By default, it's set to
Peut-être
play
Barcelone,
music,
mais
so you should just have to turn it on.
il a pas
right?
sifflé ce
Then
bâtard.
climb back up and drop into the stock room. We'll meet you there.
Répétez ce qu'elle a dit, répète.
Down into the
Attends.
office. Outdoor speaker switch.
C'est
Turn on PA,
95e,
up
frère.
to the roof. Down into
3-3.
the stock room to meet you guys. That right?
Perfect.
Attends, attends, je crois on a fait une singerie, Mathis. Parce que là, s'il nous demandait de répéter ce qu'on devait faire, je pense qu'on va être seul et on va galérer sa mère pour trouver le bureau.
Make sure you bring Alvin.
Ah putain, Alvin, on l'a oublié lui. Sauvegarde. C'est bon, j'ai quitté.